Hi, how are you doing today? Good, good. I'm fine, thank you. All right. So today we're going to talk about countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns are things I can count. So like 3 oranges or 2 oranges. Can you think of anything else that you can count? All right, shoes, yeah, shoes. I wear 2 shoes. Very good. Okay. So for countable nouns, we use a plus the noun, like a shoe. Or you can say one shoe. I can only find 1 shoe, help. Okay. For plural, we use the S at the end, so you would say shoes. I have 2 shoes. Or maybe you have, I don't know, 10 shoes. However many shoes you have in your house. Okay, you have a lot? Ah, I see. Good, good. Okay. So again, for example, a potato for 1 or 1 potato. And potatoes, you can say 2 potatoes, 10 potatoes. Okay. Uncountable nouns are things that I can't count. So this is rice. Can you count rice? No. So you have to say things like, I have a bowl of rice. Right, right. Okay. So that would be uncountable. So let's take a look at some of these and we can practice. We love to read books. Where is the noun? Books. Very good. Okay, so books is the noun. Is book countable or is books uncountable? Countable. Excellent. All right, good job. Please pass the salt. Salt is the noun. Okay. Is it countable or uncountable? Uncountable, right. You don't say 1 salt or 2 salts. No. Very good. Uncountable. We need some chairs. Good. Chairs, and it is countable. All right, excellent. Very good. All right, so when we say a sentence like this, there is a mango. A mango, just 1 mango. But here you say, I have an egg. An egg. Why do we say an for egg? Very good. It starts with a vowel. So if the noun starts with a vowel, A, E, I, or U, we use an. Okay. We use a when we use any other noun with a consonant at the beginning, like a mango. Very good. And these are singular countable nouns. There's just 1 and they're countable. Now, when we say plural, if you're not using a number, you can say things like some apples, there are some apples, good. And I have some eggs. Excellent. Okay, plural countables. So if you're not naming how many exactly, you can say some. Okay. Now, how about this? There is some sugar. There is some bread. Right, these are uncountable, and we can still use the same word for some. If you're just talking, if you're not specifying, if you're not saying exactly how much you have. Okay, so some sugar, some bread. Very good. Okay, so here we see, what do you call this? You're not sure? This is a special ice cream in America. It's called banana split. Split, yeah, banana split. Because you have a banana that's cut in the middle and ice cream in between. Good. So there is banana in the recipe. There is a banana. Okay, very good. It's a singular countable noun. Banana. Very good. Yeah, 1 banana split in half. Very good. Okay. All right, so here there is ice cream in the fridge. What will we say? Right, some ice cream. Ice cream is uncountable. Right, very good. Ice cream is uncountable, so we would say some ice cream. Okay. You can't say I have a ice cream. Very good. All right. And how about this? I need water to wash my hands. Some. Okay, good. Some water again. Uncountable. Excellent work. Good job. Okay, so some other sentences. I'd like some juice. And I'd like a glass of juice. So when we say like I'd like some juice, this is unspecified quantity. Unspecified. So unspecified means that you're not saying exactly how much. Okay, so we say unspecified quantity, right? And I'd like a glass of juice, specified quantity. So right, you're saying exactly how much that you want. You want a glass of juice. So this is uncountable noun. And to tell how much or the quantity, you have to use a glass in front of juice. Very good. All right. There's your glass of juice. All right. Okay. So, some affirmative sentences. Here we go. Yeah, that's Paris Hilton. Yes, I know. Yes, there is some money. Some money. Okay. Any for negative and interrogative sentences. So here, oh, I know that's sad, isn't it? It is. Is there any money? Okay, is there any money? So this is interrogative, which means question. Yes, interrogative sentence is a question. Okay, so is there any money? Is there any money? Okay. No, there isn't. All right, that's too bad. I think maybe she needs to share a little bit. Right, right. Or you can say, there isn't any money. There isn't any money. Okay, good. All right. So here, I need time to study. I need any time to study? Time to study. Sometime. Yeah, we would not say any time to study. You would say sometime. Okay? Right, right. Okay, how about this one? Is there some cheese? Right. Some cheese. Is there some cheese? Good. There aren't, this is negative, any. Very good. There aren't any horses in the field. Good job. All right. So now we're going to talk about how much or how many. So we use how much for uncountable nouns and how many for countable nouns. Good. So how much or how many cars are there? What would we say? How many cars are there? Very good. Okay. Oh, there's your car. And how many? 6. Okay, good. There are 6 cars. Yes, there are 6 cars. Okay. So here, how much or how many sugar is there? How much, right. Right. How much sugar is there? Sugar is uncountable, so we say how much. Very good. So how much sugar is there? 3 spoons or teaspoons. Yeah, teaspoons is fine. There are 3 teaspoons, or you can say there are 3 spoons of sugar. Okay, good. How much or how many pictures are there? How many? Very good. Okay. How many pictures are there? There are 6 pictures. Excellent. Good job. All right. How much or how many milk is there? How many milk? Is milk countable? Uncountable. How much milk? How much? It's uncountable. Very good. Yeah, okay. You could say there are 2 boxes of milk. Gallon. Well, see, these are not gallons. Gallons are usually the bigger jugs. So this is actually a half gallon each. So we would just say boxes. And cartons. Cartons. Yes, you can use cartons too. Yeah, there are 2 cartons of milk. Very good. Excellent. All right, so in this section, I like to finish these, putting in some or any in each blank. So, for example, number 1, there isn't any sugar in my coffee. Very good, very good. So yeah, just you'll put some or any for each one of these, and we'll check them next time when we get together. Okay. Well, it was good to see you again. Excellent. All right. Have a good day. Yes, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye now.